Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to crochet this watermelon applique that I am using for my summer themed blanket. You're going to need pink, green, and black yarn. I'm using worsted weighted yarn, and also the hook size is a 4.0 millimeter or a G hook, and you will also want some scissors and a tapestry needle. Starting with the pink yarn, we are going to make a magic circle or a magic ring, chain up 2, and make 5 double crochets into the ring. Once we have 5 double crochets in the ring, go ahead and pull the ring tight. For this watermelon, we're basically making a half circle. So we are going to turn, chain 2, and then make 2 double crochets in each stitch across, giving us a total of 10 double crochets in this second row. Here I finished up row 2. For row 3, go ahead and turn your work, chain up 2, and now we are going to make a double crochet in the first stitch. In the second stitch, 2 double crochets, and follow that pattern all the way across. So we are making 1 double crochet in one stitch, and then in the next stitch, 2 double crochets. And repeat that pattern. So the next stitch, 1 double crochet, and then in the next 2 double crochet. So go ahead and follow that pattern all the way across, and this will give you 15 stitches total once you complete the row. Here I completed row 3, so next we're going to do row 4. Go ahead and turn your work, chain up 1 in this row, and then we are going to do half double crochet, 2 half double crochet. So that's going to be the pattern that we are following across on this row. So half double crochet in the first stitch, half double crochet in the next, and then 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. 1, 2. So go ahead and repeat that pattern across. Half double crochet, half double crochet, 2 half double crochet. After row 4 is finished, we are done with the pink color. So I went ahead and cut off the pink. I left just a few inches, and now we are going to add our green. To add another color, I just take the new color and slip it through the loop, tighten the old color, and then just make a knot just once. And then we're going to turn our work, chain up 1, and I am going to crochet over these ends. And all we're going to do is half double crochet all the way across this row, just 1 half double crochet in each stitch. So when I crochet over my ends, I want to make sure they go onto the top of my hook after I insert my hook into the stitch, and then pull through. So I'm just going to do this all the way across. Once I get to the end, I'm just going to yarn over, pull through to fasten off. And then pull that through and tighten it. So you can see that I crocheted over my ends. I just have to clean those up. And then the last part of this watermelon is the seeds. So I'm just taking some black yarn on a tapestry needle. I'm going to knot the end. And just knot it a couple times. And then I'm just going to go from behind and make small lines that will look like watermelon seeds. And then once you're done sewing on the seeds, all you have to do is knot it on the back. And cut the end short so it doesn't poke out to the front. So now you just have to weave in the ends, and then you have your little watermelon applique.